What is up, New York? It is a Saturday in Friday, and we are currently on our way to my friend Kendrick's housewarming. Kendrick is super busy with still setting up stuff in his apartment, so he sent me a little bit of money to get the vital things that we need for the housewarming. Alcohol, food, exotic animals, including capybaras.
They're so cute.
If that was in the budget, I would get one, but I have no idea the price of those. The first thing is we're gonna go to a discount store to get some cups and things like that. New York City, jaywalking is legal. Yeah, Jessica adds her own little comedy to this, was just like making fun of me 24/7. She thinks it's funny. The viewers probably do too. Honestly, Real Deal has everything you'll ever need. Pretty like good pricing too. First thing we need is just cups. And then I might get Kendrick a present or two as like a little funny housewarming thing here. We have located the cups. That was pretty easy. Throw them in there, Jessica. Uno, dos. Could have done a better job at that, yo. A big thing of plates you can get. Get 80. Jessica's asking the good questions like, does Kendrick need utensils? He probably does. It won't hurt to get some. We're not gonna forget the forks. The last thing we need is napkins. Oh, Jessica, they're over here. Little napkins right here. Gotten every essential thing we need. Now it's just time to find Kendrick some weird shit. I think we found what we're looking for Kendrick, a toilet bowl seat cover. Kendrick, I'm not saying you spend a lot of time on there, but most men do. If you're on one of these babies, you're gonna spend hours on there. Just don't be like Elvis, you know? This is looking good. Now we're going to the supermarket to get the actual food, like chips, popcorn, maybe cheese. I'm hoping if they had alcohol there, that would just be amazing. Then we could walk right over. All right, we gotta get some cheese. We love to see it. Shout out to the Italians for making stuff like this. I'm not gonna go too crazy here. I'm just gonna get a big one of these. Do you want your smoked Gouda? How much does smoked Gouda cost, bro?
Oh yeah, $7.52.
Now we just need a bigger bag of chips. Running out of space to carry stuff. We've located the chips aisle. We're gonna do one regular, one hint of lime, and the chunky. We didn't find a fruit platter, so just a big watermelon like this is gonna have to suffice. We already have almost 3 bags right now, and we haven't gotten any alcohol. What I really, really want is a rotisserie freaking chicken. This thing looks gas. Jessica's craving Cheetos. Is this sufficient?
Oh, 放盐色.
Pick one. I feel like I'm your dad. We just got done at the supermarket. It's been an easy hundo there. The last thing is just alcohol. I hope most people will be bringing this, but we're just gonna try to get as much cheap wine as possible. Cheap wine is just as good as the expensive stuff. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And look at this, right across the damn street. Easy. This is what I do for friends. See how many bags we got going right here. It's only around 35 blocks to go. I do this because I love my friends. This is only like $750 to like work. We just stopped by Kendrick's apartment. I'm so sick of farmers carrying all this. All right, ladies, this guy's taken, but for all the men in the comments, the spread is looking incredible. A lot of what me and Jessica got. Venus is the star over there, setting everything up. She's used to all of this. This is way too much food for everyone. We hit a little bit of a roadblock. There, she can't stay up here at all. It's too big of a group. Kendrick! I don't know how long we could stay. And Jessica's right here just eating chips. This is the greatest housewarming that never was. We already got kicked out of his building. We're kind of bugging. We're deciding to go to our apartment to finish this up. Kendrick's place didn't work out, which kind of sucks because the views are amazing. Jessica's leading the way, looking like an absolute waitress with her Gouda and olives. We're walking by the stock exchange. There's just plenty of tourists here. Hermes too. Jessica should buy me a bag at least. Pretty cheap store. I mean, like if I want to go spend a bag there, I could, but I don't. I usually don't go by here too much, but I did film that video about cooking authentic Chinese food. I was sitting on one of the benches over there and they approached me out of the blue. And their whole point was cooking authentic Chinese food for someone who's not Chinese.
有3块顶级和牛，去纽约100万粉丝博主家，给他做顿地道中餐。
顺便揭秘美国博主能赚多少钱。
挑战在纽约去100个陌生人家里做中国菜。今天我们去华尔街抓人 ，Let's go！
Yeah, I work in finance. Oh, good job, dog. Hey! My dog sucks at catching. Show him, dude. You got it. Come on, buddy. Good job. My dog Tommy can't do that, so good job. Every day I see dogs. They might have more talent than Tommy, but they're not as good of a pupper.
Or brain cells, but no one can ever beat
stop
Tommy.
it. Tommy doesn't need brain cells. He has heart. You haven't seen Josh in a while.
It's been a hot minute. I've asked to be in this.
So many times. It's, we still do a lot of social things together. Everyone out here having a good time.
I gave Tommy a new bone, so he has plenty of work to do, baby. Don't eat it all at once, okay? His tail's wagging, too.
We have a big place. Josh is the unofficial sixth roommate. Josh actually owns the building too. He's a real estate mogul. He's the reason like we have all this cool stuff. Very great for entertaining.
One of my best buddies here.
Can't say anything too incriminating, Josh.
No.
I always talk so highly of Josh. I always give his accolades. He's 6'5". He's worth $100 million. He went to an Ivy League college. Works at one of the biggest, best companies in the world. One of the funniest people to ever meet. If he doesn't do stand-up one day, he's doing the world a disservice. Over 2 years of friendship and never a dull day hanging out with this guy.
It's been a lot of fun. I mean, last couple of years, like, I mean, he has a girlfriend now, but I will say before then, like...
All right, we can't. There's nothing terrible. Jessica's gonna...
No. Let's just put it this way. We've made a lot of friends. I mean, less so now because, you know, he loves Jessica and that's how it should be, right? I love Jessica.
We love Jessica.
Jessica, you hear that? Okay. No,
it's a good love. It's a good love.
Yeah,
he's saying it on camera.
yeah. She's listening in.
No, Josh has a sense of love for everyone. We're at Grand Central right now. We're about to go on the 7 train. We will be going out to Flushing.
I'm gonna get the spiciest food for him.
I'm actually pretty scared. I don't want to do that. Still on the train here. There are very limited seats. As you can see, this train is freaking packed. Somehow we're able to get seats. Like a 40-something minute train ride at least from Grand Central. It's gonna be worth it. We stood for like 10 minutes of it. First time in Flushing for both of us. Plenty of stuff going on. A lot of lights. Feels like Vegas. It's probably cleaner than Vegas. I'm not gonna lie. After being in Vegas many times, Vegas is kind of a shithole. We just put our name down for a cool barbecue spot. There's like a 30-minute wait. We have wonderful tour guides. Justin and his girlfriend Ying Ying. They go here a lot.
Showing us all the valid places.
What are we getting? Bubble tea right now?
Yeah.
But I'm a big Hey Tea fan. You know,
Shout out to the coconut mango boo. So good.
Please sponsor us. We love you. Every late night on a weekend, if we don't go out, we always get that. We're currently ordering milk tea. Jessica is taking her time. 20 hours later.
It's
Very good.
Yeah, super good. The cups are so cute.
We're told that this is like one of the second biggest places for bubble tea in China. Now we're going to dinner, get some barbecue. Liking it. First night out here, very cool. That does look like a big ass hot dog. Ying Ying, thank you for telling us to come here. Gal's barbecue. Got a little hot dog here. Cow penis. Wait, you know what cow penis tastes like? Alright, let's... I know what cow penis tastes like. That is not cow penis. That's some pig penis. They were super nice enough to get us a whole thing of beer right there. So thank you for pouring that. What kind of beer is it?
Oh, mango. That sounds good.
Mango, damn. Cheers. Oh, cheers, alright. Chinese mango beer is very good. I'm a fan of this. Super light. It feels like a cider almost. Better than Bud Light. We're looking at squid here. Some noodles as well.
So good.
Squid time. I didn't even eat this.
Oh, you're just devouring that feet. This guy really likes feet.
Are they feet?
It's feet. And when you get squid, always go for the feet. Don't get the body.
Not my favorite thing. Acquired taste, but I'm always going to try it. Not really spicy.
There's a little step up from the chicken feet at dim sum.
This is the perk of leaving. What time is it right now? It feels later. It does. Maybe just because I'm old. That looks very cute on there. Completely empty train. Whereas like when we were first here, we were standing for a while. Feel free to lay down wherever you want. Probably not that clean. It wasn't so dirty. Obviously, this is the slowest going escalator we've ever seen. It's currently like 1 a.m. We're finally back in Manhattan, trying to go to Fide-Eye. We're tired. We are stuck. We just want to catch a 4 or 5 and go downtown. About time we found this. So beautiful. So close. Yeah, so far. What do you think about the food in Flushing?
So good. This thing was amazing. 10 out of 10.
Not too spicy. Justin Ying Ying took it easy on us for sure. We're currently on the 6 train. We took the 7 to get back here. No 4 or 5 late at night. At this rate, we'll be getting back to Fide-Eye at 3:30 a.m. I'm kidding. No, terrible. At least this train has AC. Very chilly on here. There are many of these trains in the summer and the fall that are hot as shit. What is up, New York? I'm currently on the Upper East Side right now, about to head into a volleyball pickup game through Volo. I'm running late to this, but for a good cause. I'm gonna shout out my buddy Kieran. I was just at the Irish American restaurant and bar in the financial district for his birthday. It's a damn good time. They have amazing food there, and we were doing a bit of drinking, which is like exactly what you shouldn't do before volleyball. Maybe before bowling or playing darts. For some reason, I decided to take a shot of whiskey when they were just sipping it. Yeah, I'm feeling that in my legs. But I think I found the entrance to the high school. I'm super late. Let me just catch you guys inside. This is one bougie ass high school. Yeah, they literally got 2 gyms going. One there and one over there. got done playing. That started at 8:45, and I did get there at 9, but it literally ended at 10:45. On a work night, might I add. Now I'm just waiting for the 6 train to come. It's around 4 to 5 minutes away. This was easily a really last minute decision. Like, I was drinking at the bar for my buddy Kieran's birthday, and I just purchased the pickup option like 20 minutes before this thing started, and I ran up here. Jeez, do I love being spontaneous. Another train's coming. It's gonna get super loud. What is up, everyone? We are in the living room right now. We have the best dinner spread you'll ever see. That even Tommy right there is begging for some of it to fall. We got some buffalo wings. Jessica, what you got?
Chicken tacos, 3 $8.99.
Hash browns going on right there. I got a freak wrap called the Godfather. Bang time, bang time, bang time.
Fresh juice.
Because you're healthy. The perk about living in New York is that everyone should have like some sort of bodega by their place that just has like the craziest variety of good food. Like, you can get breakfast, lunch, or dinner there. The fact is, this place is open 24 hours per day. About to watch Deadpool and Wolverine. This is so freaking good. We're in the bathroom right now. I'm in a guinea tee looking like the most Italian guy ever. But while we are in here, I am dyeing my hair blonde. Not for any reason. This is for Comic-Con. I'm going as Captain America on Saturday and Anami from JJK on Sunday. I don't think it's gonna be blonde. It's gonna be like darker, dirty blonde. Probably a week. And then we're going back to these beautiful brown, luscious strands. And Jessica's here to make sure things go well. You could easily give me like pink hair right now and just screw with me. We got the gloves, bowl to put it in. She's reading the directions. Definitely a little bit nervous, but this is gonna be really fun. You look like a discount Breaking Bad. I'm sitting on the toilet with a towel on. Get you a girlfriend who's willing to dye your hair for Comic-Con. Jessica might be just a tad better of a singer than me. Our favorite dates are when we go to K-Town for karaoke. She gave me a mohawk, dude. I think I'm gonna keep this. Look like a hawk in Cobra Kai. I am a Taekwondo black belt. So Jessica's finished putting it on. Look like Dracula, yo. I paid her in Bodega food tonight. Does not sponsor us now. Get the dance. Brawn it with the food. Show on the food. What you got, kid?
Hot fried rice, you know what I'm saying? At Argo Polani on belly.
I just set a timer for 20 minutes. 3 minutes have already passed. Honestly, I feel like just some Italian monster right now. Chain on, the hair slicked back. The next part of this is getting my hair wet for like a couple minutes and then putting in the conditioner that they gave you. I can already see that my hair is lighter like before I'm even like washing it through with the conditioner. I just got out of the shower. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit lighter. Not as light as I was looking. I'm honestly a little bit ginger. My roommate, the first thing he said, "Are you Carrot Top?" He did say that this will get lighter by the morning. Depending on tomorrow night, I might just do this again to get even lighter. So we'll see. But I think I'm learning that in order for this to really look good, either I gotta go to a salon. To be clear, the one I got is semi-permanent, where this should last a week or so. But I still thought it would turn my hair blonde like the lady in the picture. Bro, this is red. Come on, man. Hey guys, happy Friday night. I am so excited because tomorrow morning is the infamous Comic-Con New York City. And I've spent hundreds upon hundreds of dollars for my Saturday and both my Sunday fits. But either way, this was such a fun week. We started out in Flushing, then we played a little volleyball up in Harlem, and then we just ended up chilling in my apartment, dyeing my hair for Comic-Con, which is pretty nice because I feel like me and Jessica and just even myself do so much stuff that having a chill night in like tonight or last night is really needed. I just got back from the gym to get a little pump in before Comic-Con. I wish I had Cap Superhero Serum so bad. But I'm just gonna end this video because I don't want to stay up too late. I still got to shower and then maybe watch a new movie that I haven't seen before. If you got any recs about any good like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, or Disney shows that just came out, make sure to comment below. Either way, let's just close out this video for this week. So without further ado, I guess I'll see you all in the next video. If there is a next video. Peace.